This morning, children's book author June Hosking, along with the team from Te Ipukarea Society and the team from Kōrero o te Ōrau, joined the Avarua School Assembly and presented them with copies of her books, which are written in both English and Māori.
This is the launching of a book that was written in English originally. Tauraki and Teina have done an enormous amount of work. It's taken nearly a year to put that all into Māori. Now, it's not a translation, it's an interpretation, because every people group has a different way of saying something. So I asked, when Tauraki, they said they wanted to do that in the Māori, I said, do an interpretation, because how I say something and how you say something in your language is different. And sadly, I can't speak the language, so someone else has to do it. I'm really hoping and praying our Cook Islanders, our children can understand the importance of keeping that language and actually building on it. So there's two books. One is simply just showing the life of the ocean, the life which actually goes from the birds in the sky all the way to the deep. And there's life at the deep as well. Important for us to understand that connectedness. The other book is about the interconnectedness of the whole of life. All the cycles, the water cycle we're seeing today, the carbon cycle, our life cycles, day and night, they all have a place. God made this amazing design that all links together, and you need every bit of it. So our worry, for instance, with deep sea mining is that if you damage one part of that cycle, the food's gone, see? So everything is so linked. NES helped to sponsor, and Mizero and GEF, so that they could be printed. And they're a flip book. They're English one side, you flip it over, Māori the other side. But there are some copies in Māori and English available as individual copies at the market, actually, at Donna Smith's hut. She has it, you know where that is, I think it's hut number 39 or something.
What inspired you to write this book?
What inspired me to write it was because when I see damage happening, I think, this is happening because people aren't understanding the interconnectedness of life. And now the same thing is happening in the deep sea. We're not understanding exactly the same thing. What happens down in the deep affects what happens at the top. So that's why I wrote. So really, one book really expresses a lot of it's my learning in Māori, living right at ground level and seeing, gosh, this happens and that happens. The other book is simply just an answer to this thing that goes around that there's no life, I heard, it's all right because there's no life down there. Well, it's just not true. And in fact, last year with Nautilus coming, that's cool, you can see. No, there's definitely life down there. So the other book is very simple. It just says, there's life. There's life. There's life. At every level, there's life.